Polygon is a cryptocurrency with a symbol Matic and also a technology platform that enables blockchain network to connect and scale. Polygon Ethereum's Internet of Blockchain launched under the name of Matic Network in 2017. The Polygon platform operates using the Ethereum blockchains and connects Ethereum-based projects using the Polygon platform can increase flexibility, scalability, and sovereignty of a blockchain project while still affording the security and structural benefits of Ethereum blockchain. Matic is an ERC20 token, meaning that it's compatible with other Ethereum-based digital currencies. Matic is used to govern and secure the Polygon network and to pay network transaction fees. Polygon used a modified proof of stake consensus mechanism that enables consensus to be achieved with every block. The proof of stake requires processing many blocks to achieve consensus. The proof of stake method requires network participants to stake, agree to not trade or sell their Matic in exchange of the right to validate Polygon network transaction. Successful validators in the Polygon network are rewarded with Matic. You may be wondering about the major strength and weakness of Polygon, especially if you are considering buy Matic. Keep understand Polygon advantage and disadvantages. Ability to process transaction quickly by using a consensus mechanism that complete the transaction confirmation process in a single block. Polygon can maintain fast transaction processing speed. Polygon average block processes time is 2.1 second. Transaction fees are constantly low. Polygon keeps its fee low to use the platform with a typical transaction fees of around 0.01 US dollars. Among Polygon weaknesses are not a autonomous blockchain. Polygon is a layer 2 solution that works atop the Ethereum platform. If the Ethereum platform experiences serious disruption or ceases to exist, then Polygon would likely lose its value. Limited use case of Matic. The Matic token is designed to govern and secure the Polygon platform and pay transaction fees. Unlike some digital currencies, Matic is not generally used for everyday purchases. Polygon is a secondary scaling solution that is compatible with the complements the Ethereum blockchain. Polygon aims to improve upon Ethereum as a blockchain development network. Polygon complements Ethereum by providing additional features relating to security, blockchain sovereignty, user and developer experience, and modality. Ethereum currently used the proof of work consensus mechanism and is gradually transitioning to using proof of stake. Polygon uses a modified proof of stake mechanism that enables transaction to be processed quickly and cheaply. Polygon in 2021 launched Polygon Studio, a subsidiary of Polygon and focus on blockchain gaming and not fungible token NFTs. Polygon Studio, if successfully, could establish Polygon as a leading technology provider for decentralized game and NFTs. In January 2022, Polygon got a new chief executive officer. CEO Ryan Jets has joined Polygon from YouTube, where he was the head of gaming. Polygon Matic token for most of their history have traded for less than $0.05. Matic price has appreciated significantly but has remained below $3. Matic was trading for around $1.60. The maximum supply of Matic is 10 billion tokens. The majority, 7.53 billion Matics, have been already issued. The easiest way to buy Polygon Matic token is through a major cryptocurrency exchange. You can establish an account with an exchange like Coinbase or Kraken and then fund the account with your local currency. You also need a digital wallet which can be self-hosted or hosted by the cryptocurrency exchange. The Ethereum blockchain is home to a vast range of economic activity from NFTs, markets, and games to the growing DeFi ecosystem. Ethereum is well suited to this activity because it's compatible with smart contracts which can be used to build a vast range of applications. However, the growing popularity of these applications adds many transactions to the Ethereum blockchain, and as a result, transaction fees, also known as a gas fees, can sometimes rise to the point where making small or frequent investment can be economically viable. Enter Polygon, which is a layer 2 scaling solution that emerged to provide faster transaction and lower cost of users. It acts as a speedy parallel blockchain running alongside the main Ethereum blockchain. To use it, you can bridge some of your crypto over to Polygon and then interact with a wide range of popular crypto apps that were once exclusive to the main Ethereum blockchain. The Polygon network allows you to many of the same thing the main Ethereum network allows, but with the fees that are often of a fraction of a cent. You can try decentralized exchange like QuickSwap or Uniswap, yield generation leading and saving protocol like NFT market like OpenSea, or even no less price games like Poll Together. To try the Polygon network, you need to send me crypto to a compatible crypto wallets like Coinbase wallet. You can the bridge some of your crypto. Stablecoins are a popular choice for this. The Polygon network, you will also need to bridge some Matic to make transaction, but even a dollar's worth is plenty because fees are so low. Low fees and near instant transaction make the Polygon network an excellent way to gain some real world experience trying out DeFi protocols. Remember that DeFi can be highly volatile, so start small and don't invest more than you can afford to lose, especially as a beginner.